Getting rid of gophers can be tricky, but here are some effective methods. Number one, identify the tunnels. Look for mounds of dirt and raised soil, which indicate gopher tunnels. Number two is the trappings. Use human traps specifically designed for gophers and place them in active tunnels, following the instructions carefully. Check the traps regularly. Number three, repellents. Try using natural repellents like castor oil, which can deter gophers, and apply it around the affected areas. Number four, physical barriers. Install wire mesh or hardware cloth around your garden or flower beds, burying it at least 12 inches underground. Number five, plants that deter. So, some plants like marigolds and daffodils can repel gophers, so consider planting them in your garden. Number six, remove food sources. Keep your garden clean of fallen fruits and vegetables which can attract the gophers. Number seven, professional help. If the problem persists, contact pest control experts who can safely handle the gopher removal. Now, combining these methods can help effectively manage gopher populations in your yard.